one compared to nature fallacy is one fallacy wherein somebody put something out what some other animals in nature do to justify his behavior. But when you look better to it, it is nothing more than an inaccurate excuse. For example, the lions eat meat, so people can also eat meat. Example. Or sharks eat meat, or dolphins eat meat, so it is okay. The problem with that is that you live in a society that you will not mimic anything the lion do other than want to eat meat. You don't want to eat your children, most likely. Because lions do that also sometimes, and lions sniff on other people's ass. If you do that, then it is harassment. Which lions do, and dogs do, and many other mammals do. So it is totally natural. There's also compared to nature fallacy. And it is totally fallible. For example, another example of a compared to nature fallacy is saying that since a small period of time, because people cut the rainforest of chimps and orangutans, sometimes just find that one chimp have adopted our psychopathic tradition of hunting, and therefore it is okay to hunt. According to that logic, it is also to rape. It's okay to rape because you can possibly find some animal how to rape. And according to that logic, by the way, all human societies have to be not patriarchy, not man structured as leader, but actually one woman structure. Because in chimp cultures, often the leader is a female chimp. How do you find that, you are filthy man? You filthy patriarchy. I have a bigger dick, and therefore I have to control anybody dick suckers. Well, I have to say shithole suckers. Stop using arbitrary criteria to defend your position. It is unfair, and you don't want that when somebody else used something like that to defend their position to exploit you. If you are not the victim, don't imagine it entirely from your point of view. Because if you are not the victim, it becomes pretty easy to mock your victims, make fun of their entire existence, label your victims stupid, dirty, displaceable, and worthless. Like people have also extremely done around the centuries, even with each other. Slavery, Nazism, Arianism, colonialism. But when you are the victim, things look a lot different from that angle. There is no excuse anymore for what you do or what your enemy do to you. We vegans are the defenders. If you eat meat, dairy and eggs, you are the oppressor. We are defenders. The animals are the victims. Get a reality check. You cannot be a victimizer and on the same moment be one victim. That's when oxymoron. Stop using double standards. Traditions, beliefs and habits are in no way a justifiable reason for continuing cruelty to innocent living beings who don't want to be victims.